Good afternoon, Jaguars. It's Monday afternoon, September the 28th, and we want you to know that our Leaders of the Week are very important to us because these students work very hard to give the very best of themselves to our school. And so we want to make a correction to our Leaders of the Week list, and so we want to celebrate these wonderful students. In kindergarten, Eli A., Corbin H., and in first grade, Ariana A., Daisy B., Cora D., and Keziah D. In second grade, Elias L., Amir C., Roger M., and Lonnie H. In third grade, Lavondre L., Tina M., and Heather S. In fourth grade, Bella B., Bella Faith M., Elin W., and Will W. And in fifth grade, Naomi A-R, Camden C., and Shelby E. Way to go, you amazing leaders. We are so very proud of you, and thank you for taking the lead today and every day. And today we celebrate you.